Hey guys, this is Kelvin from Stuff, and today we're gonna unbox the HP Spectre 13 x360. So this is their latest convertible laptop, and I'm pretty excited because I reviewed their older HP Envy x360, and yeah, let's see what it offers. Just gonna be opening the box. All right, or rather the plastic. Oh yeah, here we go. Just gotta slip it right out. Alrighty, I'll just throw that away. We don't need that. So yeah, just look at this box. So fancy, so fancy. There it is, Spectre. Right, let's not wait any longer. Let's just get into it. And here you go. All right. So first off, setup instructions. Probably don't need that. We're professionals here. There you go. HP Spectre X13 X360. There. Plastic cover. It's definitely new because, you know, plastic covers and stuff. All right. So this is the HP Spectre 13 X360, and right off the bat, it's a really clean design, you can see from the cover itself. And what I noticed is the hinge. There's actually a USB-C here, and I'm assuming that's for charging. And what they were saying is that when you're opening it any direction, it won't disturb the charging at all. So yeah, uninterrupted. You don't have to pull it off or put it in again, like if you're charging, if you're changing angles for your tablet. And one more thing is this kill switch thing. It's for your webcam, and for those of you out there who wants a little bit more privacy, you know, just switch it on, switch it off, you know, whenever. Just in case you notice that your webcam's on one day, yeah, just switch it off. So based off an initial impression, I'm already noticing some differences between this one and the Envy, but stay tuned to Stuff for the full review, and also in comparison video between this one and the older Spectre. I'm Kelvin, stay tuned to Stuff for the latest tech reviews. I'll see you next time.